Hey guys and welcome back. In this video we shall see how to perform a clean boot on Windows. Initiating a clean boot can provide a streamlined environment for diagnosis, and mostly a clean boot in Windows is a troubleshooting technique that helps you identify software conflicts causing issues with your computer, and it allows you to start your Windows device with only the essential system services and drivers, and it temporarily disables all the non-essential programs and startup items. Now that you are aware of what a clean boot is, let's talk about when you should use it. So if you are having slow startup, that is your Windows takes forever to boot up, or if your computer is performing sluggish, or if there is a high CPU or memory usage, which you can check from task manager, or if a program is crashing usually, or if there are system errors, or if there is a blue screen of death. Now let's see how we can do this clean boot. It's very simple. You just have to hit Windows plus R, and in the run command you have to type msconfig and hit enter. It's going to open system configuration. Now from here you have to click here on the services tab, then click here on hide all Microsoft services like this. Now the services which are left here in the list are the third-party services or the programs or the softwares that you have installed later. Now you can just disable all of them like this. Disable all the services, then click here on startup, then click on open task manager. Now from here also you have to disable all of these services one by one. Then once you are done with that, you can just close task manager. Then you can click on services, make sure all of the services are disabled, then click on apply and then click on OK. After that your system is going to restart into your clean boot mode. Then after that you can start your task manager. Right click on your start button, open task manager, head over to this startup apps, and then after that you can turn these apps one by one. For example, you can just turn on Windows security system tray, enable it like this, let it be enabled, then you can close it and then you can restart your computer and check if there is any issue. If there's no issue, then you can go ahead and enable another app like this, and then you can restart your computer and then again check if there's any issue. In this way you can enable the apps one by one after checking if they are causing any problems or not. And also you don't have to enable all the applications that are available or present here. Like in my case, you can see I have only enabled the Windows Health System Tray, audio service. This is the store icon. Then Steel Series is the application that controls the RGB lighting of my computer, and then OneDrive is the cloud storage that I use. So I have enabled only these applications. The rest of them I have disabled. You can check out from here, because these applications are not necessary for the smooth functioning of my computer. They are just there for some extra functionalities or features, so I can safely turn them off like this. Once you are done with the task manager, then after that you can open your system config. So just hit Windows plus R and type msconfig, hit enter, and then head to services tab. Then from here you can start enabling the services one by one. Like for example, I will start by enabling the Intel services, because I know these are provided by Intel, so they cannot have any malicious codes in them. So I'll enable all the Intel services, then I'll click on apply and restart my computer and check if there's any issue. If there's no issue, that means I can go ahead and start enabling other applications. In the same way, next I will enable all the services which are provided by MSI, because this is the manufacturer of my computer. So I can turn them on like this. Then I'll again restart my computer. After the restart, I can enable the NVIDIA graphics card and the applications or the services which are related to it like this. Then again I'll apply and then restart my computer. So in this way you can perform the enabling of your applications or services one by one. And here as well, you don't have to enable all of the services. You just have to enable the service which you think are essential for your Windows. So that's all for this video. I hope you learned something about Windows Clean Boot and how to enable it, and then how to troubleshoot the applications or the services that are causing conflicts or problems in your computer. So don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.